Hey everyone, welcome to Beginner Bits, and today we are going to make this emoji with HTML and CSS only. So let's get started. So first go to the folder where you want to create the project and then open the folder in your code editor. I will use VS Code. Here create two files named index.html and styles.css. Now in HTML connect the CSS file. So now I won't explain the code because it will be so easy, and just keep watching the video and you should be fine. So let's do it. So that's it. If you want the source code, you can fork it from my GitHub account. I will give the repo link in the description. And if you like the video, consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.